That's very important. Tomorrow we're gonna go get the vaccination. We have to make sure that we are safe. We don't have COVID.
So if you can't tell, I think May's a little nervous about this test. But this test is it doesn't go all the way up into your eyeball.
We had that in Chiang Mai, the eyeball. That's why I didn't like it. Sorry.
He does like that.
Like that. So I'm gonna start doing mine. Right.
May, we've traveled all the way around the world and we've come up negative.
Yay!
Amazing.
I'm negative. Yes. I'm safe. Now I'm ready for the vaccination. Pfizer, here I come. I came long way from Thailand to America. I will share you about my trip. This trip, it was an easy trip from Chiang Mai, Thailand to America. We'll share you next. You will see. I tell you all the details. Yay, negative.